down here. In fact, it wasn't really until 10 o'clock last night that we started to see the accumulating snows. But of course, the North Shore had that rain and slow line much earlier, so that's why places like Comac and Upton, New York, they saw nearly 3 feet of snow, 29.1 inches of snow in Comac, and 30.5 inches of snow in Upton. Ironically, that is where the National Weather Service is located, and they measured the most snowfall in Long Island. Of course, we don't know what the totals are further out east. Right now, Suffolk County is still literally paralyzed. The LIE and the Sunrise Highway, both highways are completely shut down at this hour. It is now 1 p.m. just in the afternoon, and that's what's happening here. Here in Hempstead, Baldwin, Freeport, Rockville Center, this area, not so bad. We saw about a foot of snow here, nearly 12 inches of snow. That's what happened over here. We were able to quickly shovel a lot of the snow out, and we're able to move again. We were paralyzed earlier, and now we can move. So that's great. Excellent stuff happening here, and that's great news so that we can actually get out of here and start walking now. So that's good. So far, so good. Right now, this is the house. The house is pretty much cleaned up. Snow totals for here were around, I want to say, between 10 to 12 inches. It looked like a foot of snow fell here based on what I saw. Of course, I don't have a ruler to confirm this, but based on eye level and what I saw, based on what I can see for my eyes, it looked like it was about 12 inches. So about a foot to inches fell here. So that's quite a lot. But, we got through it. Now, there's other storms on the horizon. This month is turning to be a pretty active month. They're saying that February next week, on Thursday, Valentine's Day, we could see another storm coming here. Hopefully not as bad as this, and then another one looming further down the line, President's Day. They're expecting another major winter storm. But of course, the details are way too early to tell. This storm itself was very difficult to forecast, so that's what happened here. So the activity you can see there, some snow plowers plowing the area. This is Woodside Avenue, by the way, in Baldwin, in case you don't know. This is Woodside Avenue, near Grand Avenue. I drove down the street. It was pretty clear. Grand Avenue, I'm going to assume, is pretty clear. So back to business as usual. We get through these storms every year, and then pretty much back to normal. Here's the backyard, just to give you an idea. I haven't shoveled the backyard yet. So here's a look at the total snowfall that occurred over here. Of course, this isn't accurate because, there are snow drifts. So the snow drifts create wind, therefore blowing snow, making it seem like it's more snow than it really actually is. But if you look at that table over there, that looks like a foot of snow. That dining room table, well, not dining room, but that outdoor picnic table over there in the back by the fence, that looks like a foot of snow that fell over there. So that's basically, the reality of the situation here. The cars themselves have snow. Remember, this car that I showed you last night was completely covered by snow. We cleaned it up today, so that's good. So far, so good, Not too bad. Of course, there is rain in the forecast this coming week. We're going to be in the upper 40s this week, so this snow would rapidly be gone by this time next Sunday. At least it won't be like this by next Sunday. So that's basically it. We got through this. It's Saturday. The weekend starts. The snow let up for the weekend, so we have our weekend. This couldn't be better timing. Friday night into Saturday morning, literally when everybody's sleeping. The roads were able to be cleared by then, and now we can get about our businesses for the weekend and the upcoming work week. So this is great news. We got through it, and that's basically it for this winter storm update. I'll do more pictures as I see fit, but for now, here in Baldwin, so far, so good. Have a great one, and it looks like a lot of icicles to form here. Look at the side of the house over here. You can see the icicles forming. So that's going to be a nice sight to see. Could be pretty dangerous though, because especially when you're walking on the sidewalks, when these icicles melt, they drop ice on the sidewalks here, and then you end up getting ice, and it could become dangerous. So you just have to watch where you're walking. That's pretty much what we have to deal with. It's kind of windy out here too. Winds are gusting upwards of 20 to 30 miles per hour, so that makes it feel much colder than it actually is. But other than that, it's winter time, and we have to embrace it. So that's pretty much it. I'm Vladimir Florestal. Thanks for watching this update. I'll do some more updates in the future. Have a great one.